Do you know that you can monetize your channel within 30 days or a month? You can. Let's say this channel here, up here, Clarence Kitchen, was monetized in 30 days. Another channel right here, Flosita Kitchens, was also monetized in 30 days. These are my students that I work with. Then this is my channel, Spectrum Entertainment, was monetized within 30 days. So it is doable, but it involves a lot of hard work. So today, I want to share with you how you can monetize your channel within a month. How you can monetize your channel within a month. Some tricks that you can use to kind of beat the algorithm to work in your favor so that you can be able to monetize your channel within a space of 30 days or even below. Though it will involve a lot of hard work, you must do the work and not only the talk before it can come to fruition. Now let's dive into it. If today is the first time you're coming across this my channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this my channel so that whenever I drop this kind of amazing video, you will be one of the first people to see it and to kind of enjoy this content. So let's dive into the video. One, the first thing you have to do is to pick a niche. A niche is an area of specialization, area that you want to talk on. You must know who your target audience is. You don't just come to YouTube and just be doing one video today on, you can do on football today, tomorrow you do on music, the next day you do on cooking. No, it will confuse the algorithm. The essence of picking a niche is that so that the algorithm will know what your channel is all about, and it will be easy for the algorithm to distribute or recommend your video or suggest your video to the right audience so that people can view your video and you will gain subscribers and watch hours, which are very, very important for you to monetize your channel. Remember, for you to monetize your channel, you must meet up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours is not a child's play. It's not a child. It's when you enter into content creating that you understand how clear for you to reach that 4,000 watch hour. It is a very difficult task, though it's doable, but it is very, very difficult. So now, if you pick a niche and you are consistent on that your niche, the algorithm, it will be easy for the algorithm to pick your content and recommend and suggest it to the right audience. And in this way, you will gain subscribers quite easily. People that love the kind of content you're doing. But when you scatter your content or the niches you are talking on, it will really affect you. Today you do vlog, the next day you do comedy skit. No, it will really confuse the algorithm, and at the end, it will not augur well for your channel. So that is the first step. The second one is to kind of set up your channel very well. You have to set up your channel so that anybody that's coming to your channel will know what your channel is all about. Then in setting up your channel, it will still help the algorithm to know what the channel is all about, because it will scan through the channel's description, it will scan through the channel's name and everything and know what the channel is all about. This will help the algorithm to position your channel in a way that the right people can come across it. Then after setting up of the channel, setting up of the channel involves the channel's name, your picture, the banner, putting of the banner on the channel, then the description of the channel and the tags. Tags involves the irrelevant tags that is a keyword that will show the algorithm what your channel is all about. It is very, very important, the relevant tags. And in doing that tags, some names of big YouTubers in your niche, you can add those names to help when people are searching for those people on the YouTube. Your channel will be one of the channels will pop up on the YouTube search bar. These are ways of setting up of the channel, then and optimizing the channel. Optimization, you do it through that tags. Then you add links to your other social media channels like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and the rest of them. You add it so that anybody that comes into your channel can always from there check up other of your social media platforms and see what they are all about. Then another way of setting up your channel is the name that you choose and the pictures and the banners. They must be in consonant with what you are portraying. Remember, your YouTube page is like a business venture. It's like a business or a company. When people come, what they see matters. So setting up your channel is another way of making sure that you hit the monetization threshold before 30 days. If your channel is not set well, it will affect the distribution of your content because the algorithm will be confused on whom to send your content to. The next thing is to improve on your content. Make sure you do valuable content. In as much as that period, you really need quantity, but don't sacrifice quality over quantity. Do valuable content. Do valuable content. Make sure you do your researches. These are the time, this 1 month are the time you should be up on your toes. You should be off. Then if you do this, then you get monetized, you can relax and start setting your channel the way you want it. That time you can decide to be doing what your channel the way you want it because already you're monetized. Then that is the only time you can be doing content that you love. But now do content that your viewers will like so that you can get the subscribers and watch hours. So I'm talking about now doing valuable content. You will do your researches. Then in the valuable content, I'm still talking about titles and thumbnails. Make sure that your titles will resonate well, will invoke curiosity, and will entice the audience. The same thing with your thumbnail. Let your thumbnail be eye-catching. Let it be inviting. If your thumbnail is not inviting, nobody will click on your content. If your title is not invoking curiosity, nobody will be curious enough to say, let me click and know what this title is all about. Now let's put it in this way. Um, YouTube content is like somebody that goes into a library. What you'll be seeing is the spine of the books. Is when you read the the title of a book and the author. It's only the title that can make you to bring out that book from the library shelf and look through the cover first. And if you look through the cover is like a thumbnail. If you look through the cover and you like what you see, that is the only thing that can make you to open that book and start reading. Then, if per se you read the book and it gives you value, now that author, you will go and start looking for books that were written by the same author. But when you look at the title or the spine of the book that are arranged on the library and they don't invoke curiosity, you will not even pick out the book, not to talk of looking at the cover, which is the thumbnail. But if it invites you, you pull the book out, you look at the cover, and if the cover like a thumbnail incites you, then you go into it and you read. That is the way our YouTube videos are. So the next thing on my list is post regularly. This is the time you should post every day. If possible, do a 30 days challenge. That is what helped most of my students, and that is what helped my channel. I was even posting 3 times a week. I worked very hard. Before my channel got monetized, I was almost over 100 and something videos on my channel. So I was posting daily. And look at one thing that posting regularly will do for you. It will help you to improve. You will improve per video. As you're doing video, you'll be more confident facing camera. That is what will help you. So now, please always make sure that you post regularly in this time. Is when you're monetized that you can reduce and check the time that will be suitable for you that you can be posting. Now, I post like 4 times a week because I'm already monetized on my 2 channels. And most of my students that have monetized, I teach them post the time that you can maintain. But if you're looking for monetization within 30 days, make sure you post regularly. Make sure you post regularly. Then the last but not the least is that you should use YouTube inbuilt features. Many people neglect them. YouTube inbuilt features are like playlists, end screens, and cards. You should not neglect them. Make sure that you always use your playlist. Divide your content according to the playlist. The ones that you're talking about, like my channel. Let me give you an example. My channel is all about YouTube growth, one. Second, self-improvement and personal development. And the last one, personal finance. These are the 10 things I talk on my channel. Now, I divided them into 3 solid playlists. If you come to my channel and you want to listen to how to grow your YouTube channel, you go to that playlist and you see a lot of videos I have done on how to grow your channels on YouTube, or how to grow your YouTube channels. Then if you want to listen on self-improvement and personal development, you click on it and you see my videos there. Now, these things have helped me to gain watch hours. When people have listened to your video and they are happy with what they have had and you have given value, they will click on your playlist and they will start watching it. One good thing about playlist, it makes people to stay more on your channel and it increases your watch hour. Then another thing is end screen. End screen also is end screen are screens that are popping up at the end of your videos. They direct people to other of your videos that are related to what you have shown them. And if they love what to see, there is more than 50% chances that we click on your end screen and they will enter that of your video and still watch it. This will increase your views and it will increase your watch hours. So these are things that you should do to make sure that you get monetized in 30 days or less. If you don't do these things, it will be hard for you to reach the 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. Now, let me add a bonus. There is a bonus. I know this one has gone viral before, but Restreaming, that is live stream in form of restreaming. This has helped me a lot, but it has its own advantages and disadvantages. But now, if you want to monetize in 30 days with restreaming, you can even do it in 2 weeks. You use entertaining videos and put it on loop on Restream.io, which is an app, and you go and look for peak hours. Like mine, I was doing them in the midnight. I will put it in the night and I'll go to sleep till morning. And I gained a lot of watch hours from it. So if you can try these things I have told you now, you will see that within 30 days and you'll get monetized.